Namaste. Welcome to Blishon Concept Teaching. Today we are solving the problem of class 10 NCERT syllabus and the lesson name is Statistics. Exercise 13.1 7th question. To find out the concentration of SO2 in air in parts per million, that is ppm, the data was collected for 30 localities in a certain city and is presented below. Find mean concentration of SO2 in air. Look at this problem. They have given the class interval and frequency table. We have to find out the mean. Let us find out the mean by direct method. Okay. Mean by direct method. What is the formula to find out the mean by direct method? We know that mean is equal to sum of fi into xi divided by sum of fi. This is the formula to find out mean by direct method, isn't it? Now, what is the first step? We have to check that the given class intervals, whether they are in order or not. Now look at this. Here it is started from 0.00 to 0.04. It is ended at 0.04, right? Then the next class interval, it has to start from the number where it is stopped. Say 0.04, it is ended here and here it is started from 0.04 and it is ended at 0.08 and it is started from 0.08. Here it is ended at 0.12. It is started from 0.12. It is ended at 0.16 and it is started from 0.16. It is ended at 0.20 and it is started from 0.20. If it is like this, then we can say that the order of the class interval, it is correct. If it is not like this, then we have to do a certain change in this, okay? But in this problem, the class interval, they are in order, no need to worry. Now, what is our intention? Our intention is to find out the mean. Now look at the mean formula. Fi into xi. Here, xi we have to find out. What is xi? Xi, it is the midpoint or middle number of the class interval. So this table, it is our class interval table and xi is the middle number of the class interval. Means we have to write the number which is in the middle of 0.00 to 0.04. You can write it directly 0.02, but we have a formula to find out xi. Let me use that because in the examination they will give the marks for that, right? Then at least my suggestion is at least for 2 class intervals you use the formula, okay? Now let me write the formula for all. I will solve according to the formula only because so many of them they have a confusion. So what is the formula to find out xi? And the formula to find out xi is upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. This is the formula to find out xi. Then what is this upper class limit and lower class limit? Let me explain you that. In the class interval, the numbers are in this side. They are called as what? Lower class limit. Then the numbers in this side, they are called as what? Upper class limit. Okay. Now let us find out the xi for the class interval 0.00 to 0.04. Here, let me consider the class interval 0.00 to 0.04. Okay. I am finding the xi for this one. Xi is equal to upper class limit, that is 0.004. Then plus according to the formula lower class limit, that is 0.00 divided by 2. So let me write according to formula divided by 2. xi is equal to 0.004 plus 0.00. Sorry, it is not 0.004, that is 0.04. Okay, sorry. 0.04 plus 0.00 is how much? 0.04, right? 0.04 divided by 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2. For this 0.0 to 2s are 4. 0.02. Okay, then the xi of this class interval is 0.02. Okay, now let me find out the midpoint, means xi of 0.04 to 0.08. Here, second one, 0.04 to 0.08. Then xi is equal to upper class limit is 0.08 plus lower class limit is 0.04 divided by 2. So many of them, they have the confusion in addition also. So let me write that also. Okay, 0.08 plus 0.04. How to add? 8 plus 4 is how much? 12. 1 remains. Then 1 is the carry. 0.12. 0.12 divided by 2. Now look at this carefully. Cancellation. 2 ones are 2. For this 0 point, I will write 0.1. It is smaller than 2. Therefore, what I have to do? 0. Then it will become 12. 2 6 are 12. Right? Therefore, the middle number is 0.06. So let me write here 0.06. Okay, in the same way, let us find out the xi of these class intervals. Okay, now look at this. I am finding the class interval, that's xi for the class interval 0.08 to 0.12. Okay, according to the formula, upper class limit is 0.12 plus lower class limit is 0.08 divided by 2. Then 0.12 plus 0.08 is how much? That is 0.20. 0.12 plus 0.08. 2 plus 8 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 2. 0.20. 0.20 divided by 2. 2 ones are, for this 0, take 0. 0.2 ones are 2. 0. That is 0.10. It is the xi of the class interval 0.08 to 0.12. Okay, 0.10. Then let us find out the xi for the class interval 0.12 to 0.16. Okay, then we know that xi is equal to upper class limit is 0.16 plus lower class limit is 0.12 divided by 2. That is 0.16 plus 0.12 is how much? 0.28. Okay, divided by 2. That is 2 ones are 2 4s are 0.14. Let me write here 0.14. Now consider the class interval 0.16 to 0.20. Here 0.16 to 0.20. xi is equal to upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. That is 0.36. 0.20 plus 0.16 is 0.36 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 8s are 16. 0.18. Okay, look at this, 0.18. Therefore, write here 0.18. Then Let us find out the xi for 0.202, 0.24. 0.202, 0.24. Okay, then xi is equal to upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. 0.24 plus 0.20 is how much? 0.44, right? Divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4. 0.22. Okay, 0.22. We have found the xi for these class intervals. Now look at the formula of the mean. See here, in the formula we have what we have? Fi into xi, right? Fi into xi means what we have to find out now? This is our xi table, right? Now we have to find out fi into xi. Fi into xi. Fi into xi means what? This one, fi and xi. We have to find out that. See, no need to write this one. I am writing this. 4 into 0.02 is equal to 9 into 0.06 is equal to 9 into 0.10 is equal to, then 2 into 0.14 is equal to 4 into 0.18 is equal to 2 into 0.22. We have to find out the answers for this. Okay, then multiply 4 into 0.02. See, 0.02 into 4 is how much? 4 twos are 8, 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0. After two numbers we have a decimal point. Therefore after two numbers we have to put a decimal point. Okay, 0.08. Let me write here. 0.02 into 4 is how much? 0.08. In the same way, 0.06 into 9 is how much? 9 6 are 54. 9 zeros are 0, but this plus 5. Then 9 zeros are 0. After two numbers we have to put a decimal point. Okay, because here after two numbers we have a decimal point. Therefore after two numbers we are putting a decimal point. Like this we have to multiply the decimal numbers. Now let me write the direct answer. You can do the multiplication. Okay, that is 9 into 0.06 is 0.54. Then 9 into 0.10 is 0.90. 2 into 0.14 is 0.28. 4 into 0.18 is 0.72. Then 2 into 0.22 is 0.44. Okay, if you have any confusion in the multiplication, please ask me in the comment section. Now look at this. We have to see the formula. We have to find out sum of fi into xi, isn't it? Sum of fi into xi. This symbol, it represents sum. Means we have to do the addition. We have to do the addition of what? We have to do the addition of fi into xi. Here, already we have found the fi into xi table answers, this one. Now it is the time to find out sum of fi into xi, means the addition of this one. Okay, now add this. 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 8 plus 2 plus 4 is how much? 26, right? 26. Then 2. Then 2 plus 5 plus 9 plus 2 plus 7 plus 4 is how much? 29. Then Here 2. 2 plus 0, 0, 0, 0 is what? 2. 2.96. Okay. Now we have found the sum of fi into xi. Now in the formula what we have? Mean formula. Sum of fi divided by sum of fi. Sum of fi means what we have to find out? Here we have a frequency table. Let us represent it by fi. It is already given in the question. Right? Now let us find out sum of fi. That is 4 plus 9 plus 9 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 is what? 30. Okay. Now substitute these two values in the formula. Mean is equal to sum of fi into xi divided by sum of fi. This is the formula. So sum of fi into xi, what we have? 2.96. 2.96 divided by sum of fi is what? 30. Now let me cancel it by 2. 2 ones are 2. Then 2 fives are 10. Okay. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. Then here 1 remains 16. 2 eights are 16. 1.48 divided by 15. 1.48 divided by 15. Here to cancel this decimal point, let me multiply both numerator and denominator by 100. Okay. Here look at this. Then it will become 148.00 divided by 1500. Look at this carefully. 148.00, it is nothing but what? 148 divided by 1500. Okay. Now we can do this by the division algorithm method. 148 divided by 1500 I am dividing it by division algorithm method. Let me show you that. Okay. Now let us divide 148 by 1500. Now look at this. This 148, it is smaller than 1500. So we cannot divide. So let me write 0 here. Okay. Now take one point so that I can write here 0. 1480. This is also smaller than 1500. We cannot divide. Right. So let me put one 0 here. Okay. Now already we have point, so that I can take another 0 here. Then it will become 14,800. Then 1500, 9s are 13,500. Right. 9s are 13,500. Now subtract. 8 minus 5 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1300. Now here already we have one point, so that I can take 1 0. That is 13,000. Then 1500, 8s are 12,000. Okay. 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then it will become 1000. Since here already we have taken point, so that I can take 1 0. Now 1506 are 9000. Okay. 9000. Then again we got 1000. Already we have one point here, so that I can take 0. Again what it will come? 1500, 6 are 9000. Again we will get 1000. Like that it continues. Therefore it is 0.0986666 and so on. Okay. So what is the mean? 148. Here we come to the calculation. 148 divided by 1500 is 0.0986666 and so on. Okay, this is our mean. The mean of the concentration of SO2 in air is 0.0986666. Okay, hope you have understood. Stay connected, keep supporting. If you really find our videos are useful, please share to your friends. Thank you.